Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to find the SWIFT code of SBI Bank. First, search bookmyforex.com in your web browser. Here you can find the correct SWIFT or BIC code for your transfer. Enter the country and bank branch details to find the right SWIFT code for that branch. A bank's name is usually represented by 4 letters, which often resemble the shorted name of the bank. The country in which the bank is located is represented by 2 letters. The 2 characters, made up of letters or numbers, indicate where the bank's head office is located. A branch is identified by 3 digits. A bank's head office is represented by XXX. Now simply fill in the country and account details. Enter the country, then enter the city. Now enter the bank. Click on Find SWIFT Code. Then click on Check a SWIFT Code. Here, you can find the SWIFT code for SBI Bank. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.